guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I've got an extreme clean and I have left my house way too long. It is in desperate need of a good clean and some TLC, so I'm going to be whizzing around doing some tidying and cleaning and just giving you all the motivation. I am just over summer now, and even though I'm still in like shorts and t-shirt because it's still so hot, I just want all the cozy vibes. So I'm going to be doing a big deep clean, getting my house nice and cozy for autumn. So I really hope that you enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love for you to stick around, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up and then get rid of. I wanna love, still yearn for heartbreaks, like the feeling of misery. I created my own reality, and as the days pass, the story began. Pushed and pulled until they ran. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up and then get rid of. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up and then get rid of. I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. It's definitely a part 1 because I've got so much more cleaning left to do. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below, and also leave today's video a thumbs up because it just lets me know that you enjoyed watching it today, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Girl, I can tell that you have something on.